Hi, I'm Al-Samarrie with Diabetes Health Magazine, and I am in San Diego at the AADE 2016. And I'm here with Dave Savage, and we're going to talk about plant-based cheese, something that's unique. So if you've given up dairies, this is a great alternative. Thank you for joining us.
This is great. Thank you so much.
So tell us a little bit about the cheese. I just quit eating dairy, so I was really happy to see your brand. So tell us about it. How's it made? I noticed you were serving it with different kinds of tortillas.
Yeah, this show we've chosen to sample our blocks and our shreds. So our products are all plant-based, so no dairy, no soy, no gluten. It's all plant-based. Tapioca starch, pea protein, and coconut oil. Great variety. We have shreds, we have blocks, cheese to have cold, we have mac and cheese, we have yogurt, we have pizza, so it's just a great range for people who like yourself have given up dairy or can no longer have any dairy to enjoy a variety of good foods.
Now that's great. So you can buy it shredded, so if you want to make a pizza.
Pizza or mac and cheese or nachos, basically all of your favorites. With no dairy, no casein, no whey.
And at the exhibit hall, you're demonstrating the food with tacos, and those are gluten-free?
Yes, they are.
And now, do you sell those as well, or is
No, we don't. We just make the cheese.
I see. And do you have recipes for people?
We have a ton of great recipes on our website for basically any day part. We have cheesecake recipes. We have very simple mac and cheese, tortillas, all kinds of good recipes for, like I say, any day part.
That's wonderful. So what is like one of your best-selling cheeses?
Oh, without doubt, the shreds. The shreds are very popular because they're very versatile. So you can melt them over tacos, tortillas, basically anything that you would put into a regular dairy cheese, you can use this for. So pizzas. Right. So it's good on things and good in recipes as well. You enjoy lasagna or mac and cheese, anything like that. So it's a variety of diets as well. It's all vegan certified.
That's great. And where can people purchase this? Is it available at all grocery stores, some grocery stores?
We are in 22,000 stores in the U.S. So from major retailers to small natural stores. So on our website, just type in your zip code. It'll show you not only where to buy it for retail, but also for restaurants. So a lot of
what a great reference.
Yeah, restaurants are amazing supporters. They came on very early.
Interesting.
Because generally we do eat a lot of meals out, so it's great for convenient just to type in your zip code, find out where to buy it.
Oh, that's very smart. Very, very smart.
We're very lucky. I mean, so many restaurants now carry us. It offers a lot of varieties for families.
Absolutely. Yeah. The trend that I'm seeing is that a lot of restaurants are adding gluten-free breads, pizzas.
More and more.
Yes, but you don't see the dairy-free alternatives.
That seems to be slower. I see the same things. I see this as a slower trending into the dairy-free cheeses. But once they do find it, it really does increase the consumer base because a lot of people are looking for either a vegan or just a dairy-free cheese that melts and stretches. And that's one of the key differentiators for Daiya, is that it melts and stretches, which is why we're doing the tortillas, is to show people it melts and stretches and really,
Right, and your products are great. I have sampled them. They're very, very good. And in the past, when I've purchased alternative cheeses or breads, they haven't always been that good. But it's really changed in the last 5 or 10 years. I mean, the breads taste better, the alternatives are better.
There's no doubt. There's such a wide variety, and like you say, better tasting products. I think it's easier for people to convert into a dairy-free lifestyle or a vegan lifestyle, anything at all, because the food tastes better and there's way more of it.
Right, that's right. Yeah. Well, thank you for taking time out, your busy
pleasure.
schedule, and sharing your products with us.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you so much.
From Diabetes Health, I'm Al-Samarrie.